Hey guys!
Hey guys,
Day
it's day
4.
So today we're gonna start wrapping up. I guess we're gonna go ahead and do what we need to do. I guess that's left over. We're gonna go. There's a nice viewing tower in our hotel, so we're gonna do that.
We're staying at the Strat, and
Yeah.
it's like the, what's it called? It's like the
Stratosphere. Yeah, it's the
that.
Stratosphere. Like that's the tower called. That's what it's called.
They have like
So we're going
crazy
there.
rides and stuff. I'm so excited.
Too bad we're not going on it. So we got to do that, and then we got to go to a museum that's like by the Mandalay Bay, and then I don't know. I mean, we kind of want to do a lot tonight. We haven't done any
We haven't done
Vegas-y
casino. We haven't
experience.
gone to a bar. It's like. Where
So I guess that's what is happening today. Touring the casino, doing any last attractions that we didn't get to. Like I know the Mirage Volcano opens up tonight. On the strip, so yeah, stick with us. We're coming out. Skypod, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, to the left. Hi guys.
We have a Starbucks in our hotel, and I've been craving Starbucks.
And I guess we're gonna get it, huh? This is actually a bit more concerning than I thought.
Ours is the biggest.
I don't know how I feel about this now that I think about it.
We're used to the Statue of Liberty that's only 300 feet.
Yep. Okay, here we go. The tripods aren't allowed, so we have to give it in. So this is handheld right now.
So we're sorry if it gets a little flimsy. But
Yeah.
we'll try our best.
Yep. So yeah,
Well, the rides are closed currently.
their rides are closed, but
But the ticket is all day. They said that we can come and go as we want until
Yeah.
12 a.m.
so it came out to $48.
It's all so 24 each.
Yeah, and it's basically all day. We're going in the morning because we went to the Eiffel Tower at night, which is literally right in the middle of the strip, so you could see everything of the strip in a bird's eye view type of thing. Whereas here, it's a bit farther from the strip. It's a bit far from the strip, so
It's closer to the mountains.
yeah. So this is actually gonna give like a bird's eye view of like the entire landscape. So that's what we're gonna do.
So you guys can see the difference.
Hi guys, we're here.
Level 103, wedding traffic. Level 104, meeting rooms. 106, top of the world. 107, sky lounge. 108, indoor deck. And 109, thrill rides and outdoor tech. And number 112, big shop, which is the thing that you.
Yep, exactly like that.
Ready to go outside?
Yeah.
Okay, go. This is beautiful. Look guys, it's the mountain. Look how pretty.
I would never. She's not even screaming. Oh no 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 no! I'm getting secondhand worry. Nope. That's not for me. For those that are a fan of outdoor heights, there are indoor heights.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
This guy's terrified. I know he's
Oh my
terrified. I know
God.
he's regretting this.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Update. We ate lunch, which was tangerines and guac and chips. And then we went to a museum that they didn't allow us to record or take pictures. And now we are figuring out what we're gonna do in terms of dinner. We were looking at Margaritaville. They don't really have a lot of vegetarian options, but they do have sides, and I could probably make like a meal out of the sides or if he's shrimp, but and there's a gluten-free bread for him for the burger and the nacho fries, right?
Nacho chips.
And then after we research this, we're gonna go upstairs back to where we were earlier, just to see the night view. And then what else are we doing?
Probably the volcano.
Oh yeah, we're going back to the strip,
Volcano
to
and
the volcano,
ice bar.
and we're gonna do the ice bar. So exciting! We're gonna live the Vegas life today.
Because we're gonna come back and probably do casino. So.
So yeah, we'll see you guys there. Bye. Hey guys, we're back where we were this morning. JP is over there talking to his parents. So in the meantime, I will be showing you guys the view at night.
Margaritaville. Woo. Yep, let's go and do this because we are hungry. And just like that, we are presented with pain and suffering.
It's closed.
It's closed.
So, plan B.
Yep. Going to the ice bar and getting that gluten-free pizza. That was like
That was so good.
That was so good.
Delicious.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Also, it's even more packed today than yesterday.
Yeah, we're back at the Link, the same place we were yesterday. Pretty fun.
We're back at the delicious pizza place. What's it called again? Flour and barley.
Beautiful.
Delicious. They have gluten-free cheesy bread.
All the pizzas can be made with gluten-free dough.
Yeah, they had gluten-free pasta also. So delicious.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that, and let's see. Hopefully, nothing else gets stopped.
The plan is after this, we're gonna go to the ice bar. Exciting. Yeah.
What time do they close again?
They close at 10, and it's currently 8:36. So we're hoping we do this fast. This is the gluten-free cheese bread. Excited?
I am excited.
Yummy. Okay guys, since yesterday we didn't really show you the beauty of this pizza,
You're looking at it right
I'll
now.
show you today. Now you can make it ugly with some Parmesan. 10 out of 10, recommend.
Hi
Hey
guys.
guys, we finished eating and now we're at the Mirage.
Hopefully there's an actual show.
The closing is at 10, which is like 10 minutes or so.
Yep. So hopefully the show actually happens.
And it's not a disappointment.
Yep. So we're in front of the Mirage, guys. Those are the Beatles up there.
So pretty.
Here's the volcano sign. So we're gonna catch a 10 p.m. show. There's somebody else waiting over there, so we don't feel too bad.
outfit change number 3. Okay, we are gonna, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go to the casino. But
We're gonna go to
first, we're
the
gonna
casino.
search for some keys.
Pennies.
For some pennies, yeah.
If you know me, you know I love my pennies. And we're gonna get some Fat Tuesdays. No, Fat Tuesday.
Yep.
Exciting, bye.
See ya.
So boring. What are we getting?
I forgot. Crap. The party tumbler and pina colada
Yummy.
and some beads.
Yep. Going
Okay.
all out today. You're nasty. Good?
Is that like
Here, you guys can try some. Jippy's not gonna let me have some.
pina colada and mango?
Thank you, they're mine.
What?
Oh man, oh, it's right here. I thought it was that one. Ooh.
Up.
Look how pretty.
Wait, let me see if I can focus. Yep, it's focused. Let's go.
Ooh, time to get the second one.
Okay. And we found this one. We didn't know it was here.
Oh, this one's
The
even
website told us.
prettier. Can you focus? But I like a beauty guru.
There we go.
How
It's
pretty.
Okay.
Ready?
Nice.
Hey, what do I
So basically,
do? Just press here?
1 cent is 1 credit. And you have 100 cents. And the machine only lets you go in increments of 50.
Okay, so.
So you click on bet 50 here.
Ooh, I got 30 cents.
Okay.
Try again. Oh man.
You lost.
I lost. But I lost less than you. Whoa. You got your dollar back.
Guess what? I'm happy with it.
You got to play and keep your money.
That was fun and all.
Woo.
So you won $5, like 5 something.
Yay. Oh. Cash out.
Alright, now monkey time.
Oh my god, I hate these bonuses.
Alright, we might be back in business. Okay, well, that'll do, I guess. Wait, what?
Oh my god, we're so close to jackpot.
I don't know what this is.
Wait, what's going on? Oh.
How much did we get?
We got 2,000 something. We got 21. Cash out, cash out, cash out.
This is our breakfast for tomorrow.
Well, guys, now we're going to the room.
Yep, where we ended up kind of broke, but this kind of made us feel better. We're back in our room.
Back in our
After
room.
a session of pain and disappointment.
Yeah.
Well, that's what casinos are. Momentary fun.
Yeah,
Pain
you gotta
and
be
suffering.
lucky.
Yeah, you gotta be lucky. You gotta go around and look at the machines, and you just gotta get a vibe of them, basically. Because
But for
We don't
the
spend big bucks here.
meantime, it's fun.
yeah, we couldn't leave Vegas without.
Yeah, we had to do it.
Doing
Now
that,
tomorrow
so.
we're doing the bar, so
Tomorrow we're gonna do something that will be worth our money.
drinking.
So yeah, we're gonna have our burgers now and call it
Oh
a
yeah,
day.
we got In-N-Out burgers for later. Now it's later.
Tomorrow's our last day here, so
Full day, yeah.
full day.
Okay, so we'll see you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Bye.